Sup guys? Well, figured I'd make another video for you, this time of my secondary computer. Let's see here. It's got a 9900k 5ghz, a Gigabyte Z390 Aorus master motherboard, 32 gigabytes of Patriot Steel Viper memory, the 4400 megahertz. Right now I got it running at 4000 CL17 timings. I have, for a CPU cooler, an IceGiant ProSiphon Elite. For GPU, got an EVGA RTX 3080 for the Win 3 Ultra. The main boot drive is a Inland Premium 512 gig M.2. Then it's got a secondary 1 terabyte SATA drive, and then it also has a 2 terabyte Western Digital Enterprise drive that I got off eBay for cheap. And then for a PSU, it has a Corsair RM1000 Gold, and the case is a darkFlash DLX21 Mesh. Well, let's see. Wish there's a little bit more light. I've been meaning to add some RGB strips and whatnot. Here we go, that's a little bit better. Here's a close-up of the RTX 3080. I really do like that RGB strip that they made for this thing. Oof, gotta dust that thing, gross. Got a little darkFlash symbol there. It's got magnetic side panels on both sides. You can take them off while you're building and whatnot. Pretty much all the heat gets extracted out of those two 120s. It's a very good design. Got two more fans over there, so we got a bunch of fans in this thing. One more at the back there. Here's it from the top. And there it is from the front. Alright. Here's some of the settings I run. Let's see, there's what the memory timings are right now. Obviously, all the maximum temps and whatnot. These are just, that's where I got my V-core at. Alrighty. There's the memory temps for the GPU. But alright. I just want to do a quick video kind of showing off the secondary computer. And I'll definitely have another video coming up for you guys soon. Till the next video, peace out guys.